I'm Gemma Grainger, the new Cymru Women's National Team Manager. This is an exciting time for everyone, and I'm looking forward to working with the staff and the players to fulfil everyone's potential. I've spent the last 11 years working with national teams in major tournaments. Every part of my career has been deliberate and thought out to build towards taking a team to a senior women's major tournament. Wales is a very proud nation with a lot of sporting history. We want to make the nation proud of what we do, but most importantly, how we do it. I want to leave a legacy for a nation that is full of pride for the women's football team and a connection with the people of Wales and the game that they love. Culture underpins everything. It's how you want to behave, think and live every day. And that has to be created and cultivated by the group. Bring it on.